Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. Filtering with the Armadillo portable filtration machine is a simple task when following these steps. First, ensure the fryer is turned off. Position the Armadillo filtration machine under fryer drain, screw in drain pipe, and open drain valve. With the drain valve still open, point the discharge wand into the fryer, turn the Armadillo machine on, and rinse out all debris. Once the debris is rinsed out, turn the Armadillo filter machine off. Place the wand in one of the designated holders of the Armadillo tank. If using an active filtration aid, turn on the Armadillo filtration machine for 5 to 10 minutes to polish or circulate the oil. Use a brush or scrub pad to loosen any buildup of polymers on the surface of the fryer. If polishing, make sure to turn off the Armadillo before returning the wand back to the fry pot. Turn Armadillo machine on and rinse the loosened polymers off the fryer surface. Once rinsed out, close valve to refill pot. Allow pump to run until all oil is back into fryer pot. Turn off Armadillo filtration machine and return wand back in wand holder. Once this is complete, with your PPE gloves, safely unscrew the drain pipe. You can now turn the fryer back on. Let's review how to clean the Masterfil filter. This is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. After the filtration process, take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop up all debris and dispose. Disconnect intake hose assembly by pulling up on the black bumper. Lift filter assembly to ensure the bottom side of the filter is also scraped. Scoop all debris from the filter tank and dispose. Place filter assembly back into Armadillo filter pan. Reconnect intake hose assembly by pulling up on black bumper and push onto the riser tube nipple. It is important to remember Masterfil filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfil filter, clean and dry pan, and install new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life, and do not get filter wet.